Hello everybody, this is Sean here at Rush Peterbilt, Orlando, Florida. I want to do a quick video today on this 2021 Peterbilt 389 day cab. This truck is heavy spec with 46,000 rears, 13.2 front, 500 Cummins, 1850 torque with a 13-speed manual Eaton Fuller transmission. Very popular truck with our contractors. It already has the hydraulic split tank on the passenger side when you want to add your wet kit to the truck. Full lockers, sliding fifth wheel, beacon lights on the roof, dual stacks and breathers. Good looking truck, all aluminum tanks. Get inside the truck here, let you see the cab. Here's a dual high back seats, shifter, 3-stage engine brake, Bluetooth phone capability. CB radio. If you'd like more information on this truck, please feel free to reach me at 804-516-6212, 804-516-6212, or come by and see me at Rush Peterbilt, 1925 West Princeton Street, Orlando, Florida. Thank you.